Software engineering and media firm OSAZUWAAKONEDO Limited has announced the global release of its new server layer database utility, the OSAZUWAAKONEDO Dynamic Autoload Optimizer, version 2.1.0, engineered as a premium, high-value must-use (MU) plugin. The software addresses one of the most widespread yet invisible performance bottlenecks plaguing modern digital publishing: the accumulation of orphan configuration data within the core WordPress database structure. The software targets large-scale web architectures, news networks, corporate platforms, and search engine optimization (SEO) agencies that suffer from unexplainable mobile lag, high bounce rates, and random server crashes during traffic spikes. While traditional web optimization tools focus on front-end patches like file caching, CDN integration, and image lazy loading, the OSAZUWAAKONEDO engine targets the server-side database configuration layers where initial loading speeds are decided. Every standard page request on a WordPress site initializes a database query that automatically reads every option row tagged for initialization and dumps it directly into the server's active RAM memory before web content or text grids can even render. This structural mechanism causes extreme back-end bloat over time. When web teams install, test, and subsequently delete heavy free plugins or third-party tracking tools, those modules leave behind massive rows of configuration footprints. Because WordPress does not purge these options upon deactivation, they remain in the system forever, forcing the server to load megabytes of dead software code on every single click, exhausting CPU threads and spiking time to first byte (TTFB) latency. The system bypasses this hidden crisis through a dynamic identification umbrella matrix. Upon manual activation, the algorithm maps the live site ecosystem, automatically identifying and safe listing core WordPress keys, active theme folder structures, child theme style sheets, and every active plugin directory prefix. This safeguards the site against database corruption. The engine then runs an automated database parse targeting unmapped, abandoned option keys exceeding an 8 KB critical risk threshold, cleanly converting their status from auto-loading RAM targets to standard demand-only queries. The creation of the database tool was driven by the firm's real-world experiences running high-traffic news properties like OSAZUWAAKONEDO.news, a heavy media network running continuous dual live stream video feeds, interactive currency calculation matrices, and intensive Google AdSense ad networks on individual pages embedding up to 200 high-resolution images. Testing has shown that unoptimized database autoload bloat can cause websites to completely freeze and time out under synthetic loading tests, even on premium cloud hosting frameworks. To maximize structural efficiency and maintain a zero-overhead footprint, the software introduces a proprietary, automated deactivatable connector engine that eliminates the need for manual FTP file renaming. Webmasters simply access the dedicated settings panel and toggle the native operating